So in this pot we have cassava, arrowroots, and sweet potatoes. So I'm adding some water to boil the roots, and then I'll see when they are already boiled. I'm going to boil it for about 30 minutes. Then in another sufuria, we're going to boil our milk. That's 1 liter of milk, and here are our roots boiling. It's after 40 minutes. Let's check on our roots. They are fork tender, so I'm going to transfer them in a blender. If you're going to follow this recipe, please add milk before adding all these sweet potatoes, cassava, and arrowroots. Please add milk first. Next, I'm adding milk, the milk that we had boiled, and it has to be very hot. Next, I'm adding some peanuts. And then we are going to blend this mixture. I'm going to blend it for about 3 minutes at high speed. As I told you earlier, it's better if you start adding milk first other than adding the roots first, because the cassava, I think the cassava is sticky in nature, and what I saw, the cassava was sticking at the bottom, so I thought I would have added milk first. At this point, I'll have to add some more milk. The porridge is still too thick, so I'll have to add some more milk to help with the thickness, and blend it more until all the peanuts are crushed and everything is in a soft batter. Not soft, but smooth. So here I've added some more milk, and then now we're going to blend it for another 3 minutes.